Hi everyone, in today's video we will be diving into N8N. That is an all-person's workflow automation tool that's transforming how we can integrate and automate tasks across various applications. For those that do not know me, my name is Javier Bandera. I'm a 23-year-old entrepreneur, founder of my own AI agency called AI Pro, where we deliver AI-powered solutions. I usually work with N8N, so in today's video my purpose is to show you what's this, how you can use it, and hopefully you find it helpful. Okay, so here we are on the N8N main page. N8N, it stands for Node-mation, and this is an open source platform that allows you to connect different applications and automate workflows without extensive coding knowledge. I mean, you can do absolutely no code solutions, or you can also implement a bit of coding if you want and if you find it helpful for your particular case. An advantage of this tool is that it's open source, so this means that you can have full control over your automation process. This is a big advantage compared to other automation tools, and is highly customizable. You can mold it to completely fit your own needs. And also it has the ability to integrate numerous applications and services seamlessly. Okay, so here you have an example of an AI-powered social media content generator and publisher. So as I said before, this works by nodes. So here we can see the nodes of, for example, here get the data for social media posts using the web form. Here it gets the data, passes through these filters, and send it to this AI agent. This AI agent is to generate relevant posts for social media. It has plugged Gemini as a chat model. Then as tool, it has a structured output parser. And as output, here we have a node for an aggregate. Then it gets to this node that is get an image to be published, upload an image, next up meta, and then it goes to this workflow that is published on social media. Here this template has a bit of code, but it's like a filter, so we can go or to X, LinkedIn, Facebook, or upload an image to this website. And from this website it sends it to Instagram and publish on Instagram. As you can see, it has too many nodes. I mean, this is a bit complex. I mean, it's not a basic agent, but it's super useful, I think, and it can save you a lot of time for making your social media content. I mean, I think that is a very good tool, and you can see that it's for free. I mean, you just need to connect all your credentials. We'll be talking about how to connect credentials later. Another practical use case is this. This template is named as a very simple human-in-the-loop email response system using AI and IMAP. Okay, so how does this work? This workflow automates the handling of incoming emails, summarizes their content, generates appropriate responses, and validates it through send an IMAP email with human-in-the-loop system. You can quickly integrate Gmail or Outlook via appropriate notes. Okay, so well, this is just like a template, but if you want to use Gmail or Outlook, you need to change the notes accordingly. So for example, here we do have like a trigger that is an email trigger. Then it goes to this node that is convert email to markdown format for better understanding on LLM models. It's just like a filter. So our LLM model, in this case OpenAI chat model, it makes its job easier for them to process. Then it says chain that summarizes the received email, just another filter to get it more summarized. Then it sends it to our AI agent this agent retrieves business information from the vector database and process the response. Here we should plug the database on tools here, but we will be talking about how to do this on future videos. And here we do, as chat model, we have OpenAI ChatGPT. After writing the email with this AI agent, it throws the output to this node set email text. Then it goes to human in the loop, approve email, send and wait for response. If it's approved and it's okay to send, it will send it automatically after having your approbation for this email that the AI created. So I mean, this is much more simple than the other one that we saw before. It's just a template, it's not finished at all. You need to plug another tools like Gmail, for example, and you need to put your credentials, but we will be talking about how to put credentials on N8N that it has. I mean, for someone that is not familiarized with working with APIs, I think that It's a bit complicated at the beginning, but then you get used to it. Another case of use is making a simple chat AI agent where you can chat about any information that you load up to your SQL database. Here we can see that we have like the template of AI agent. Then we have as trigger when the agent receives a message, and as chat model we have OpenAI's ChatGPT. Then we have chat history. This memory is like for the AI agent to remember the chats that has with you. Here it says in the explanation that you can change how many number of messages to keep using the context window length, but it comes with 5 messages as default. I mean, it's just for the AI agent to remember what you were talking about. And as tools, it has plugged in this SQL database that is Postgres. Here it says execute SQL query used to execute any generated by the agent. Then the one in the middle that is get database schema and tables list, that it returns the list of all the tables with its schema name. And then on the third one we have get a table definitions. It returns table details like column names, foreign keys, and more of particular tables in schemas. In resume, this AI agent is, I mean, you have your company, you upload in this database all the information about your company that you may need on your day by day. You can have like accurate and fast access to this information. I mean, if you need a specific information on your work, you can chat with this AI agent and it will give you specific information, and it will be much more accurate than with other solutions. Okay, so let's get into N8N workflow space. I have it self-hosted, as I said, is open source. So you can have this self-hosted on your own domain that is this one that I bought. But you also have the option to, but also N8N gives its own cloud hosted option where you can have a free trial of 14 days, but after it you need to pay $20 a month to use it. I mean, this option that I made is almost for free, but of course is much more easier on the other way to just pay $20 a month and they make all the backend solutions. But well, let's get into it. Let's create a workflow. So how do this work? So you get to create a workflow out of scratch. For example, as first step, I will say AI agent, for example. Here we need to load a chat model. I will use OpenAI chat model. Here is showing in red because we have not loaded the OpenAI credentials, and in memory we can use the easiest one, that is this one that comes as default. I will put 10 window length. We can also, as tool, for example, plug in Google Sheets. If we don't have like a large number of data that the agent should know, we can just have Google Sheets, for example, for a list of contacts, and as output we can put send message or for example, or send email. That's like a basic demonstration on how to create I mean, this workflow is just like for you to see how this works. I mean, it will not work right now because I have not loaded the credentials, but it's just like a template. Okay, so I will make here a quick tutorial on how to connect the OpenAI credential. Let's click on the OpenAI node. Select credential. I will create a new credential. Here I will click on Open Docs because here N8N has a doc that helps us to connect this OpenAI credential. Okay, so here on the main page of the OpenAI credentials, we should scroll down and go to API keys page. You need to know that this API key service it has nothing to do with the ChatGPT that you use. If you may have for example, the $20 monthly plan on ChatGPT, it has nothing to do. It's a completely apart service. I mean, it's cheap, but you need to put some extra money. I mean, with $5 you're good to go. So you will need to log in or sign up. Depends if you already have an OpenAI account, but I will click on login. Okay, so once logged in, we'll create a new key. I will put the test key and create secret key. This is our API key. I mean, it's not, it doesn't matter if I show this on the video because I can just delete it and that's it. So I will put on copy and then go back to our N8N workflow and paste it here. We click save, testing, connection successful, done successfully, okay? So now it's showing the OpenAI node without the red warning. This means that it has been connected successfully. So let's click on chat to verify if it's working. Hi there. I'll put hi there. Well, you just have seen how do this workflow works. I mean, it's everything on green because it's working. And here the AI agent answers me, hello, how can I assist you? But well, right now the agent, it doesn't have any prompt or any like purpose defined, so it cannot assist us like in too many ways right now. This is the great thing about N8N, that you can make your customized personal AI agents for different purposes. And well, I work with this on my day by day. So if you would like to see how these AI agents might fit on your business, I will let a Calendly link down below so we can have a free call of 15 minutes to see if these solutions might help you. And I think that in almost every case, I mean, not all of course, but I will be honest, if this can fit your business or not, feel free to book a call with me and we can build a customized AI agent for you. That will be it for today. I will be creating more content around how to build AI agents on N8N. So if you would like to know more about that, click that subscribe button for more content like this. And thank you so much for your support.